Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how does the Workday app work. First, open the Play Store or App Store on your phone. In the search bar, type Workday and look for the official app published by Workday. Tap Install and wait for the download to finish. Once installed, open the app. When the app opens, tap on the Login option. You will be asked to enter your company or organization name. Tap on the search bar and type the name of your company. Select it from the list that appears. After that, enter the username and password provided by your company. Then, tap Sign In. Once you log in successfully, you will land on the home page. This is your main dashboard where you can access different features of the app. Once you reach the home page, you can access key features in one place. You can track your time by clocking in or adding hours, check approvals to review and respond to requests, and complete onboarding tasks if you are a new employee. You can also view your profile, pay information, and notifications from the same screen. Thanks for watching.